Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a get ready with me and we are creating an everyday look but using only drugstore products, and I have some to test out. So let's start. I'm gonna prep the lips with this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris. It doesn't have anything on it. The shade is I Soar 402. It is a plumping lip gloss. I'm gonna put down below everything about it and all of these products, so don't forget to check the description box. I'm always putting in there everything that I have on my face, everything that I'm talking about, etc. And this is the second time I'm using this product and it is pretty nice. It looks like a balm, I would say. It is not sticky. It feels really like a balmy product. I don't know, it is more creamy and it is plumping, so you will see in just a second. For the base, I don't have anything new, but I want to create a mix. I'm gonna mix the Essence Magic Filter Glow Booster. I'm gonna put a bit of this on the back of my hand in here, and then I'm gonna mix a bit of the two Catrice concealers that I have, these two. For an everyday look, usually I'm in a rush and usually I'm just applying concealer and that's it. So because of that, I want to do this today. I have in here the shade 32 Neutral Biscuit and 002 Neutral Ivory. I'm gonna put just the smallest amount of the lightest shade and a bit more of the darkest one, because right now I do have some tan and actually I'm a bit burnt as well, because even though I'm reapplying sunscreen, apparently I'm not reapplying it too well because I missed some spots, and yeah, apparently I am getting sunburned very fast. So I have my colors in here and I'm gonna just mix them and then apply on my face. I do have sunscreen on. I'm using the Purito one. Again, it will be in the description box. And I put a bit on my neck as well, just because this part is not tanned, the rest of my body it is, so I'm trying to match my body and I'm blending it out with a sponge. I applied the smallest amount of the Catrice lighter concealer on the under eyes just to have a bit more coverage there, but this is the base for now. I'm gonna apply some powder next. I'm gonna use the Project Pen one, the HD finishing powder from NYX. This is a great powder from the drugstore, and I'm gonna set everywhere just with a light dusting of powder. This is my favorite brush. It is the Nabla Precision powder brush. It is just perfect because it is tapered, so you can just very easily reach into the lower lash and under eye. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the Buttermelt from NYX, but I'm using a very large brush. This is the Real Techniques Duo Fiber Face Brush, and I'm gonna load the brush and then remove the excess by tapping it out and then just apply it a bit more messily, not very precise. This bronzer is just a bit too pigmented for my taste, so I'm trying to apply it more diffusely, and I'm gonna put a good quantity on my neck. And this bronzer is a bit on the pinkier side, so it will match my redness a bit, which is not the best, but in this situation at least I'm gonna be matching. And right now it looks very sun-kissed. I really like it. For blush, I do have a new one. It is a first impression. I got the Essence Got a Crush on Apricots, the Aura blush, and this is in the shade this name. It is in the shade 1, Abracadapricots. I'm gonna put the name below. It is a pun and it is kind of cute. So let's see if this one is pigmented or not. I'm gonna use a BH Cosmetics brush, and it seems that it's not picking up on the brush the best, so I'm gonna load my brush in here. Seems pretty powdery. Remove the excess. I don't have a lot of product on my brush. apparently, and then let's put it. It smells kind of like apricots, which is great for the drugstore because usually it smells like chemicals. But apparently, and this brush is pretty packed, so it's not picking up a lot of product, so I'm gonna apply more layers. What a strange product. It's not very pigmented. I can barely see it on my skin, and I am a lighter skin tone. I can't even build it up, so not the best. Apparently I don't have a lot of luck with essence blushes. Usually Catrice is doing them better. For some reason I'm using the BH Cosmetics highlighter. This is in the project pen. So this is with the base. As you can see, the lips are a bit plumped as well, but it is a very cooling sensation. It's not burning or something like that, so I do enjoy the L'Oreal lip product. It is very nice. For the brows I bought this one. This is the Maybelline Super Lock Brow Glue, and I'm not learning any lessons. Why I'm purchasing a brow glue, I have no idea, but I am gonna try it the way that I usually do my brow, and next time I'm using it I will try it the reverse way. So I'm gonna apply a pencil right now and just fill the brows in, and then apply the brow gel. That is the way that I like to do my brows, but usually brow glues are meant to be used the other way around. You need to apply it on bare skin, on your brows, and then do everything, and lastly fill in the brows with something after the brow glue is set. So I will test it both ways just to have a good review about it, but if it's not working in my way, it will not become a favorite just because of preferences. So let's see. I do like the spoolie. It is pretty tiny, so that is great. I'm just gonna apply it directly like this. It's not very goopy. It's like a gel, so that's great. It's not like a glue, not sticky in that kind of way, which is a great sign. So I'm gonna leave my brows like this for a second just to see if my hairs will drop, and we can go back to them a bit later. Let's do lips. I'm gonna remove the excess of this lip gloss. And then I bought the NYX Butter Gloss Bling. I have it in the shade... What shade are you? Bring the Bling is the shade. This is again a first impression. I'm gonna use the NYX Line Loud in the shade No Equivalent just to line the lips first. Okay, step one is done. Let's see how this NYX Bling looks like. This is how it looks. It's very blingy. Looks like a holographic. And it is okay. It is very blingy. Usually I don't like very glittery lips, but let's see, maybe it is a nice shade and I would like it. Who knows? So this is the lip gloss. It is pretty glittery, I would say. It doesn't look bad, but very close it is very shimmery, but a bit far away it looks very juicy and nice. So I need to taste it more. It is pretty glittery, but it is comfortable. I don't feel the glitter. The brows look pretty good. I want to apply just the smallest amount on the left side, and I want to see if they are crunchy or not. Or okay, they are flexible, so I can apply a bit more for now, but I need to test this brow gel for the whole entire day just to see. But so far this is the closest to the Too Faced one that I found, which is my favorite brow gel, and that means a lot. I am excited. I want to apply just the smallest amount of concealer to my eyelids because I want to put a bit of the blush there, just to have something on the eyelids, nothing too fancy. It is an everyday look, so something very, very simple. but at the same time I have a mascara to test out, so I would like to have something on the eyes first. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and let's see if I can see this blush on my eyes, because like I said, it's not very pigmented. So can I build it up and just have a bit of a peachy moment? Or so I searched it online. It seems that it's only one shade, which is, look at this shade, I can't see it. And like I said, I have a lighter skin tone. It's pretty bad. Yeah, so this is the darkest I could get it. Not the best Essence. I'm not that happy with this. I bought a mascara from Essence as well. Essence is doing my favorite kind of mascaras from the drugstore. This is the Call Me Queen, and it looks like this. It is a rubbery applicator and it is very bendy. So let's see how it looks. So this is the mascara with two coats. I would say that the Lash Princess is more dramatic than this. I do like it, it's not a bad mascara, but I just think the Lash Princess is a bit more voluminous and lengthening at the same time. Let's remove this from my hair, and this is the final look. I always say that this is a pretty easy makeup to do, an everyday look. And overall I did enjoy the product. The lip gloss looks pretty nice, even though it is a bit shimmery, but I kind of like it. The shimmer is very small, so I don't know, I need to wear it more, but right now I don't hate it. And like I said, I usually don't like glittery lip glosses. The brow gel is very nice so far. I am so excited about this one. I hope it is staying like this. The L'Oreal plumper, it's pretty nice so far, but the blush, this is a disappointing for sure and a fail. I can get past the clunky packaging and everything else, but this shade, to be only one shade and to be this light, it's just unacceptable. You can't stretch this shade, not even to medium, so it's just unacceptable. Really, it's just so light and so, I can't even see it on my cheeks. It is just no, a big no. So this was everything. If you liked it and want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.